If you wish to consistently earn money of $25 to $250 every 10 minutes and be able to cash out all of your earnings in just 24 hours, you like this fresh original way. The best thing about this is that anyone in the globe can start adopting this method for free. After seeing this video, you can start continuously making $25 to $50 in real money. Make sure to watch all the video to the end because I will walk you through the process of registering for free account. It is appropriate for beginners and newcomers of any skill level. Utilize a secret trick to earn a 25% bonus. Now, let me quickly explain what this is about before we reach the website and sign up so that you may save time, avoid any mistakes, and be able to withdraw your money. Now, let's watch the video. The website I'm talking about here is gptplanet.com. This website will help you to earn money by completing simple tasks. It is absolutely free. So if you're on the website, just click on sign up. But before you sign up, look at this. It is free to join from any country. So if you're in Ghana, if you're in UK, if you're in US, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Philippines, if you're in India or wherever, you can still use this website to make cool cash to your account. So the task is simple here. You are just going to earn money by completing or viewing advertisements, and also you can refer people to the website for them to also earn money. The more money they earn, the more commission that you receive. But if you're not good in referring, you can just focus on viewing advertisement to make cool money here. And then you can also cash out, and the minimum cash out here is just $1. So whenever you have a minimum amount of $1, you can just request for payout and you get your money through Netella, Payeer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is worldwide, so if you don't qualify for any of the other accounts, you can quickly go for Bitcoin. I've left Coinbase link in the video description. You can click on it to sign up for a Coinbase account so that you have a Bitcoin address to receive your earnings from this website. Basically, the website will pay you 1 cent per click, but if you follow this video to the end, I will show you some of the best advertisement platforms that you can click on them to earn cool cash. Okay, so make sure that you watch the video to the end. If you are new to the channel, consider hitting on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a new making money online tutorial. Don't also forget to leave a like to this video. Now let's focus on signing up. Just click on register and fill in this simple form with your full name, username, password, your date of birth, your email. You confirm your email address and then you confirm your password as well. When it comes to the payment account, as I already said, they have Payeer, Bitcoin, Netella, ATM, Litecoin, Dash, Faucet Pay. As I said, Bitcoin is international, so you can choose to use Bitcoin. And if you want to have Bitcoin address, I have Coinbase link in the video description down there below. After you have filled all this information, you just need to click on register. But don't forget to take I have read and agreed to abide the gptplanet.com rules. You can log into the account, and when you log in, this is what you are going to see as a fresh account. So whenever you make any money, you are going to see the balance over here, and withdrawal is also there for you to click on it to withdraw your income when you have a minimum amount of $1. Okay, so let's try to click some of the advertisements to start generating income for ourselves. Just click on view as. You can see there are a lot of companies over here, but which one is going to be good for you? Now that you have visited the website, you need to identify the highest paying firms to join. Some of them are good, some of them are fairly ordinary. PageVet is very good company that you should join. And then also Scarlet Clicks. So just click on it and then begin to click on advertisement there to make income from this website. When using this website, you are going to have a very good cool cash with them. Okay, so concentrate on viewing advertisements, or you can choose to also refer your friends to also come and enjoy this kind of opportunity. You know, this is not going to make you rich quick, so it needs time, but you need also to be consistent. Keep on doing it and you're going to make cool cash. I have some recommended websites and videos for you that you can follow to make genuine income online. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, like the video and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for being here with me. Let me see inside one of the next videos.